My favorite part of camp was making friends. I honestly didn't come here thinking I'd meet a lot of new people, but I met a lot of people who are like on similar levels when it comes to cybersecurity. So I didn't feel alone when I was learning, and I don't know, I connected a lot with them, especially during the residency program, and you just learn a lot because you have like that community that you build with people that you meet like on the first day. You really do make friends easily, and you develop, skills.
That you've attended camp.
So one thing that I've learned while being here is the great network opportunities. I've got to meet up with some other Cajon alumni since I graduated from high school this year. Truly an experience, I must say. Also work with some of the underclassmen that I do see around campus. But truly there's something, as well as today's lesson with the OT operating system, it was one interesting thing, especially since we had a technical issue, but even with a short amount of time, we still got the task done in a reasonable amount of time and ended it in the fastest way possible. So funny enough, I can hit all 3 points. For the camp instructor, I'm gonna have to give that one to Aaron A. Easily. I mean, now today, I'm not wearing it, but usually I would have taken my secondary shirt and I turned it into a headband. I didn't wear it today because it was too hot for that. And to the friend point, that actually be my good friend Jacob. As of right now, he's getting ready to start another year in high school, but truly it's been an experience to work alongside him here at the camp, but also during our last school year. And then as far as the instructor, I'd have to give that one to Matthew because me and him had a good in-depth conversation regarding what AI and how you should use AI instead of a crutch, more as a tool.
My favorite part of camp, I actually have 2 things. One of them was actually like throwing water balloons at, Michael Jackson. My second thing is like the afternoon activities, how we went from, studying on to classes to immediately just having that chill mental break and like playing fun activities like volleyball from yesterday.
My favorite part of camp was like the rewarding feeling after solving a challenge, because it was really hard to solve, and when we got the key, it was a really good experience.
My name is Michael Jackson, and welcome to Website.